This is the video for routine 101 of the Matrixmath game. First, it sets T and W, tall and wide, to 55, 10, 10. 10, 10 is the whole width of the screen. Then in the X, Y position of 0, 28, the color to 740, which is brown, and does the rectangle fill. Then it sets X to 5, Y to 53, font to bold 11 points, the color to black, and says put the text initial on the screen. Then it adds a little bit to Y and puts the text A vector. So it's going to say initial A vector. Then it adds 85 to X, subtracts a little bit from Y, sets up 3 control registers for this box N instruction here, which is going to put the A vector on the screen. First it says just add 1 to the offset each time you change a row. Well, that's because there's down here it says rows only have 1 value in them. But it says the number of columns there are is 3. It's a vector 1 by 3. Then it does that box N instruction. Then right below that, it has a subroutine that's going to put the brackets around that vector. It's going to go to LA and return on L. Then it sets the XY position to 140, 53. Again, the font is 411, color is black. And this time, though, it's going to say initial B vector. Then after that, it's going to add a little to X, subtract a little from Y, set up those control registers again for this box N instruction where it's going to show the B vector. And then it's going to put brackets around the B vector also. Well, let's go to the screen and see what it did. First, it made this big brown box all the way across the screen. And here's where it said initial A vector and initial B vector over here, and here's the values for the vector. That was the box N instruction, did that. Now I've highlighted in green the rest of the routine. Sets the XY position to 246. The font, still bold, 11 points. Still the color black, and then it's going to say on the screen, add list, add L action. Add a little to Y, and so underneath there it's going to say R vector equals result vector. Then it adds a little more to Y, and it says asterisk means the A vector is, and we don't get the rest of it, but let's go look at the screen. Here is what it was putting on the screen. These 3 lines here. There's the asterisk, which refers to the asterisk you see down here at vector, and the other one down here at R vector. Alright, this is the end of the video for Matrixmath.